सा कैरेक्टर, स्कैमस्टर हो गया, ये हो गया, अब कौन सा एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर दैट यू विश पीपल वुड कम टू यू, यू नो, फॉर?
Something related to action जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं है तो मजा आएगा. If I read the script and if I feel that I want to do it, then I do it. I don't go by any names. But yes, of course, I do want to know the vision of the director because that's what ultimately will get reflected in the film.
For all film-related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Hi Pratik, hi Anandrita, and Pratik, hi, nice to meet you both. And Pratik, I'm a little surprised, ये आपका बॉलीवुड डेब्यू है. मुझे क्यों लग रहा है आप डेब्यू कर चुके हो यार?
अब डेब्यू इसलिए है कि पहली ऐसी फिल्म है जिसमें मैं लीड प्रोटैगनिस्ट कर रहा हूँ हिंदी में. So that's how it is, Bollywood debut.
बट वही है कि आई मीन आपके तो नाम के साथ खिताब लग गया है ओटीटी के सुपरस्टार.
इतना प्यार जो मिला है ऑडियंस से, उसके बाद अगर फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो डबल धमाका ही है.
Who thought यार scams could actually work out for the better for people? Scandemic year था सही में. और अब भवाए नाम है आप दोनों की पिक्चर का. पहले था रावण लीला. The name got changed because लोगों को रावण नाम से बहुत था, मगर they don't realize कि रावण was actually a very very educated man, which is the psyche of the human. आप अपना brain कैसे use करते हो? You either become a Ram or you become a Ravan. So आप दोनों के पास जब ये फिल्म आई थी, what were your reasons to accept this particular film?
When I was given the narration, when I read the script, मेरा सबसे पहला थॉट ये था कि मुझे इस फिल्म में बहुत सारी चीजें करने मिलने वाली थी. एक तो मैं थिएटर वर्ल्ड से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ सालों से, तो मुझे इस फिल्म के अंदर स्टेज पर परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिल रहा था. और मैं एक ही फिल्म में दो किरदार निभाने वाला था. एक जो मेरे किरदार का नाम है राजा राम जोशी, और ये राजा राम जोशी जो है वो लड़का जब काम मांगने जाता है रामलीला की टोली के पास, तो वो उसको रावण बना के स्टेज पे भेज देते हैं. तो मतलब दो बड़े ही विरोधाभासी कैरेक्टर्स थे जो परफॉर्म करने थे, क्योंकि ये लड़का बहुत अलग किस्म का है. वो ना ऐसे सोचता है ना ऐसा है, पर जब कैरेक्टर करने की परफॉर्म करने की बात आती है तो वो रावण का किरदार उतनी ही बखूबी निभाता है. उस लेवल तक के कि लोग उसे सच में रावण मान भी लेते हैं. और अगर कोई भी एक्टर ऐसा कोई किरदार निभाए कि लोग उसे उस किरदार के नाम से जानने लगे, तो वो एक्टर की जीत होती है. तो ये सारी चीजें थी कि मैन आई वाज सुपर एक्साइटेड टू परफॉर्म दिस कैरेक्टर.
Absolutely. Anandrita, what about you?
It's Aindrita.
Sorry. Aindrita.
Nothing. So it's including me. I really enjoyed playing this character. I also had two shades. I mean, when she's on stage, she's Sita. So I had like two weeks of intense training. I had to change my walking style and talking style. So, and then off stage, she is a completely different character, a slightly naughty girl who has a few hardship in life, and that's how she's in a Nautanki company. So yeah, so even I had an opportunity to play these two completely different roles in one film. Yeah.
Absolutely. प्रतीक, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? जैसे नाम भी बदला और यहाँ पर जब हम everyone has their own perspective. अब जैसे है, रावण होते हैं, कंस होते हैं, कृष्ण होते हैं, राम होते हैं, अच्छे लोग होते हैं, बुरे लोग होते हैं, मगर हम जब भी कुछ सच्चाई दिखाना चाहते हैं, and also for artists, I don't know, artists are just depicting characters, but suddenly they're held responsible for being a character. The creative liberties you can't take, but you are just artists and you are depicting what we see around us. What do you have to say that when suddenly वो activism के कारण you all also have to maneuver your craft and
कभी बहुत दुख होता है ये सब देख के, सोच के. It's little heartbreaking also. क्योंकि जहाँ तक इस फिल्म की बात है, तो इस फिल्म में जो राम रावण का कॉन्टेक्स्ट बहुत सिंपल था कि राम और रावण हमारी सोच में है, हमारे अंदर है दोनों. जिस दिन अगर हमारे अंदर की बुराई हम पर हावी हो जाती है, उस दिन हम रावण बन जाए। जिस सिचुएशन में आपने अपने अंदर की बुराई को कंट्रोल कर लिया, तो आप उस सिचुएशन में राम बन जाओ। इतनी सी बात थी। और जो डिफरेंस, जैसे आपने अभी कहा, रील और रियल के बीच का डिफरेंस जो है, वो हमें समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि जब हम एक किरदार करते हैं, हम सिर्फ वो किरदार करते हैं। और एक एक्टर के पास तो इतने लिमिटेड मतलब हमारे पास ज्यादा छूट छाट होती नहीं है कि हम सब चेंज कर देंगे, हम स्क्रिप्ट चेंज कर दें, हम नाम चेंज कर दें। ये हमारे हाथ में होता भी नहीं। हमारे हाथ में सिर्फ ये होता है कि जो किरदार हमें मिला है, जो किरदार हम कर रहे हैं, हम उसे बखूबी निभाएं। इतनी ही बात है।
Absolutely. What would you want to say, Andrita? Because the way, I'm sure as a woman you have seen, trolling happens, and you are just lashed out against. Sometimes the men get away easier, the women bear the brunt of it on social media, as you've seen. And the way the characters you depict, you also have to think twice about whom you're depicting. What is it for you?
Absolutely. I think I would really like for people to be more open-minded and have a broader perspective. It's really sad because at the end of the day, we are entertainers, but suddenly, if any big issue happens, then the public holds you responsible. That how come you haven't made any statement, or when did our opinion matter so much? I feel like that's what there's a difference between, there's a thin line, of course, where we can impact the audience's mind and we influence people. But at the same time, I think when it comes to cinema, I think we should have that liberty to portray different sorts of characters without having that limitation. But unfortunately, people are getting intolerant these days towards a lot of things. Yeah.
Sadly so.
And
I think somewhere I feel they don't want to see the reality. If they want to see the reality, they want to see it through their own perspective. They're gauged, right?
And then what's the point if you're not able to portray different situations, and then how will their perspective even widen? So it's
Absolutely. Pratik, what do you have to say? You played a real life character who also had shades of good and bad in him. You're playing a mythical character who also has shades of good and bad in him. What would you have to say? People don't want to see reality ki wo hamara perspective jo hai wo hi dikhaya jaye. वो कहते हैं ना, even your gods, things that you realize, I'm not trying to discount anyone, have feet of clay. Every individual has a weakness, and we need to accept that. Not everyone is perfect. Nor are you perfect. The actor is not perfect, nor is his character.
Nobody is perfect in the world. And the world, gone are those days when we used to see the world in black and white. Nothing is black and white. Everything is gray. And everybody changes situation to situation. That's what I said. That in certain situation, if the devil part of your wins over you, then you become Ravan. If your inner strength is good, if you're good from within, and if you can control your demon inside in any of the situation, then there is Ram inside who's winning, and that makes you Ram in that situation. So, in fact, in the film also, the metaphor is very simple. It is not talking about Ram or Ravan or anything. It is a simple story कि रामा एंड रामलीला एक जगह पर परफॉर्म हो रही है, उसमें काम करने वाले दो एक्टर्स हैं जिनकी पर्सनल लाइफ भी है, और जिस गांव में ये हो रहा है वहां लोग रील और रियल का बीच का डिफरेंस भूल जाते हैं, और उसकी वजह से पूरा chaos होता है।
और ये गांव में नहीं होता रियल और रियल का, ये हर जगह होता है, where you think the real character is the real character. And this is something that it's great for you actors that you get known by your characters, but it's also bad because people don't realize that you have a personal life also.
Yeah, because there are so many things. Because अगर ऐसा होता तो शायद अब सिनेमा जगत में कभी कोई विलन का कैरेक्टर लिखता ही नहीं, ना ही कोई परफॉर्म करता।
सही में, totally. And सिनेमा की बात हो रही है, yeah, sorry, what were you saying?
सुना है, since the previous topic, that Ravan is celebrated and worshipped in a lot of places. जैसे Sri में also I've heard that, so I don't know why so much hatred and
but the best part is that in the film we are not worshipping anyone, we are not demeaning anyone. It is not at all about Ram and Ravan. It is a simple story. It's a love story. It's a musical love story about two actors. So film का तो इससे लेना देना ही नहीं है.
No, but coming to other aspects now about cinema, and you as actors, Pratik, as you said that what Scam did for you was brought you into the spotlight, and as Scam is a good thing. And I think actors like, because of this pandemic, if it has benefited talent. अब दोनों को लगता है कि अब जैसे थिएटर में हम कहते थे ना कि ये मैं सवाल आजकल पूछ रही हूँ because somebody raised this point कि now people are not going to gauge कि इस स्टार की पिक्चर लगी है या उसकी पिक्चर लगी है. They will now go to the theaters when they open to watch any talent, because I think their mindsets have broadened. They're willing to watch stories. You think that's going to happen?
Yeah, that has already happened, and it is happening at a good pace also now, because audience from all over, all age group, all ethnicity, all regions, everywhere, I guess audience is open for different content. Now they don't want to see similar kind of things, and contents are coming from all over. There are stories from all over. So I guess, and the last 1.5 years have taught us a lot of things, because audience, they could explore cinema from all over the world. So their horizon broadened. Their understanding, their acceptance is very high now, and that is a good time for actors like us.
What would you want to say?
I certainly hope so, because it's one of my first releases here. So I certainly hope that the audience is open to, watching our film and new actors. Yeah.
And for both of you, what's actually a dream role? Is it the director? Is it the cast? Is it the length of your role?
For me, this film, I wouldn't trade it with any other film for a first release. So I'm really excited about it, because to be able to play two different characters in one film, and something as unique as and popular as Sita on stage, and another very beautifully etched character. So I wouldn't trade this for any other film. Yeah.
Pratik, aap batao?
Yeah, so this film is very important for me by all means. This being my first mainstream Hindi project where I am playing a lead protagonist, first and foremost. Second is the character that I'm portraying, a very, very common guy coming from the world where we all live. It's like one of us going on stage, creating another character and falling in love and getting into chaos. So I could relate to these feelings, these emotions. And third most important thing is that this film was shot way before I got this fame of Scam. It is just that it is coming to theaters now. So it is a very, very important film for me.
But how are you dealing with your popularity now?
I don't think much about it. That's it.
अब दोनों से मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, before you say yes to a project, what is the first thing? कि मेरे को footage कितना मिल रहा है, कि director कौन है, कि story कौन है, कि क्या है? Which is the first thing that comes to mind? Now be candid. We know we are all very...
I'm being very absolutely candid. If I read the script and if I feel that I want to do it, then I do it. I don't go by any names. But yes, of course, I do want to know the vision of the director, because that's what ultimately will get reflected in the film. Because as I said, we as actors will have very limited things in hand. Film has so many variables. So yeah, director कौन है ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि उनका vision समझना पड़ेगा before we portray the character. But I select based on my gut feel completely.
And what about you?
Well, I would also give first preference to the script and the story, but to be honest, sometimes, of course, the director, if it is a well-known director or an already proven director, can influence my thoughts. Yeah.
Awesome. And जाते जाते ये बता, since पहले नाम था रावण लीला, फिर अभी भवाई बना, बचपन में सबसे favorite story कौन था? Which was your favorite mythical character which you would want to play now? राम तो सीता रावण सब play कर लिया इसमें.
For me, कृष्णा. मुझे कृष्ण का किरदार परफॉर्म मैंने बहुत बार किया भी है स्टेज पे, पर मुझे वो बहुत मजेदार लगता है. जितनी कहानी है, जितनी चीजें पढ़ी हैं, जितनी सुनी है उसमें.
He actually seems to be a complete personality.
Yeah. I think Krishna,
How about you?
Me, I've never been into, to be honest, never been into mythology. So, yeah.
So who would you want to play?
there, but I know, I mean, since as you said, Sita is something I've already played, so I guess this would be it. Yeah.
No other character that you actually want to play next?
Not next, as in not related to mythology.
Yeah. Any other character that you feel?
I don't know. I would definitely like to bring something new. Like I've in my past films in Kannada and Bengali, I've done a lot of different sorts. I've done a schizophrenic. I've done characters where I get fits, and I've done all sorts of different characters so far. But something different. Something which has never been played before, for sure. I would like to bring something new. Yeah.
प्रतीक, आप कौन सा करना चाहते बता, आप कौन सा कैरेक्टर, स्कैमस्टर हो गया, ये हो गया, अब कौन सा एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर that you wish people would come to you know, for?
Something related to action, जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, तो मजा आएगा.
New action hero, चलो ये भी देख लेंगे. Why not? Thank you so much. All the very best for the film. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Lovely talking to you. Bye.
Yeah.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.